Did you guys know that it's Hoopapalooza down at Designs and Machine Embroidery? Dime, in other words. And I thought I'd check out a few cool new items. So keep watching and find out what they are. Okay, Hoopapalooza. So much fun. What does that mean? That means that hoops are on sale. It's all about hooping this month. And I decided to dive in and participate wholeheartedly with a few things. And one of the things I wanted to try out was this magnetic hoop clip, ready to use with your snap hoop. So obviously you have to have a snap hoop to use this with, but I thought it was brilliant. So you need, this is what it looks like. You need sticky stabilizer, and it magnetically attaches to your snap hoop. I'm kind of thinking this is brilliant. I do have an affiliate link at Dime. So if you guys are going to purchase it, I get a little bit back for the, and I'll put it towards the channel and buy more things like this. So you can click on the affiliate link in the description, or you can use the code SUSAB58, and that'll also get me my small commission and help out the channel. So I would appreciate that. Thank you very much. So let's open this. I have not opened it. I do not know how to use it yet. I do have my brand new Snap Hoop Monster right beside me. So let's have a look at it. So let's get it open. Align, clip, and embroider. Okay, that's cool. I am hoping this is going to be a fantastic way to stitch hats on your single needle machine. So this is what I bought this for, because I thought it would be fun. Let's leave this right here so we can see it. So hoop clip hat pack. So it comes with a hat, and let's see, this is, yeah, that's a lovely hat. It's very nice. But you can get hat pack. Order yours today. Ready to embroider. Oh, and it's navy, khaki with the black visor, white, or stone. Also available as a combo pack. All right, very cool. So let's look at this little guy. I think this might be the solution to stitching really great hats. All right, this is cool. I like that it's not anything monster, like huge, and it's quite simple but absolutely brilliant. So when you're doing hats, never forget to take this paper out. You always have to take it out. I pull the hat, this is called a sweatband. I pull it back and just look. All right, that's fine. So what you're supposed to do is we're gonna hook the hat here. We're gonna clip it, and this is what is gonna hold it in place. I wanted to see how well it holds. Yeah, that's pretty good. All right, I don't have any sticky back fabric right now, but let's see how this works. Oh, ooh, okay, I really like that. Let me take the hat off so you can see. This is, see the magnets right here, and it attaches, and that's amazing. And it's a good enough hold that your hat isn't gonna go anywhere. That's awesome. So what you do, I'm gonna flatten the bill out just a little bit, and we're gonna clip it on. Now you have to, it's best actually to use embroidery designs that are made for hats, but I think in this case you could probably get away with it a little bit. We'll come up with something really cool. Maybe we'll put a little dash hound or something on it. So what you want to do is figure out your design and use sticky stabilizer right there, and make sure this line is straight. So you do have to be a little bit careful when you're hooping it up. But this seems fantastic. and then put a placement sticker, or you can use in McDreamy, my Dream Machine 2. I would scan it so I get a full picture, but you can see that this is going to hold well enough, and you can have a large stitching area for your hat and kind of fold it out. Of course, it would stick better if I had the sticky in there. Look at that. So you're not limited with a hat hoop. You're not limited to anything but your skill, really, because the idea of hats is you want it as close to the brim as possible, and you could stitch it right about here and it doesn't get any better than that. And that is really hard to do with a hat hoop on a multi-needle. And this doesn't cost much, so it's a far cry from the hat hoops that you get with a multi-needle. So I'm thinking this is really cool, and I am thinking in the next video we should do one. We should put this on McDreamy. Hooped as it is, of course, hooped properly. I think we should do it. I think we should do it. So I think this is an amazing friend for the snap hoop monster. I think this is a great gadget, and it has so much possibilities, and I think you could make some really nice hats. Maybe we'll monogram it. All right, I will come up with something. Don't forget to use my affiliate link or affiliate code. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you guys like this Hoopapalooza video, and I really think this is going to be our solution for doing hats on a single needle machine. I love it. I love it. And of course, this would be easy to store too. I would just put a hook on it and hook it near McDreamy, my Dream Machine. I think this is great. It's simple and it works. All right, we will continue our experiments in the next video. Thanks everyone for watching. I hope you guys like my discoveries. Happy Hoopapalooza to everyone. Get on there and get some deals with Dime. I love it. I wish I had a snap hoop monster for every hoop on my Dream Machine 2. And we're gonna test this to its fullest and see what we can do with it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.